Hello, myself Karishma and I am from Construct Learning Solution Private Limited. Our company develops STEM-based activities, that is science, technology, engineering and mathematics from pre-primary to class 12. Our hands-on experience activities develop key skills of students which promotes application-based learning. We are present in more than 100 schools in Northern India and are glad to get associated with your schools. So let's get started with our pre-primary fun activities.
Friends, once again I am here with you to explain one of the most wonderful activities by Construct Learning Solutions. This activity will help the children to enhance their ability to recognize the different colors. The name of this activity is Color Fun. At the name of this kit is indicating clearly that this is a color-based activity. Let's open the kit and see what is there in it. We have a board base, a dice, and instruction book inside this kit. You see, you look at the board base, you will find a picture of a tree with different colored leaves. First of all, we are going to make a dice. This is a paper sheet. You have to fold it like this, and the dice is ready. There are 6 colors on the dice and same color are there in the tree. Let's start the activity. The child will roll the dice and the color comes up on this dice is red. So the child have to recognize this color, identify red color in the tree. Here it is a red leaves and this leaf shape cutout has to be put on the particular color like this. You can see the child is able to recognize the color on the dice as well as on the tree. This activity has to be done repeatedly till the time the leaves of the tree are not covered fully. So every time the child has to play or has to roll the dice, the color which comes here on the dice accordingly, this cutout has to be placed upon the particular color by the child. Now, other activities are also there. You see this instruction book, you will find there is one activity that is called find out the odd one out. You look at the pictures, you will find the same color of two fruits are there in the picture. One is the strawberry and the second one is cherry. The middle fruit is of yellow color. So it means odd color is yellow. One thing I would like to tell to the teachers, the child is able to recognize the color, he may find out the color and he will be able to find out the colors, but he may not be knowing the name of the color. Whenever the child is performing this activity, the teacher has to say or has to tell him that this is the red color. If the color comes yellow and he is going to keep the cutout on the leaf, on the yellow leaf, the teacher has to guide him that this is a yellow color, this is a red color, this is the blue color. This way they will be able to learn the name of the colors too. Because if they match the colors, if they match the objects of the same color, the eye and mind and hand coordination is required. But not necessary that they may be knowing the name of the color. So here comes the role of a teacher. The teacher has to guide him that this is the particular color is pink, this one is orange, this one is brown. In the same way, when they are performing or the child is performing this activity, teacher has to guide the child in the similar way. See, two flowers are of same color and the third one is blue. So now here the blue one is odd one. So this is the activity has to be performed by the child. This way they will be more confident about identifying the colors. One more advantage of this activity is it develops a motor skill in the child. The child has to recognize the color, he has to see with the eyes, store it in the mind, and he is going to perform this activity with hand. What I mean to say that he will pick up this cutout, leaf-shaped cutout, he will see the color, will work with his mind, see both the, like in this here, he will see the color and on dice, he will see the color. So his mind is working, he will match both the things and keep the cutout on the particular color. This way, the grip which comes in the hand of a child, it is going to increase his motor skill too. They have a good command on his hand. This way, the coordination of three body parts are going simultaneously. So this develops the motor skill in the child. This activity also enhances vocabulary in children. Different words are being used. Either they are colors or they are fruits or they are flowers or dice, roll in, appear. The child is learning a new word or few words daily. If the teacher wants, she can show again that these are the animals who make their home on the trees. Like monkey, a bird makes a nest and lives in it. A squirrel is also lives on the tree. So this way they will be, whenever they see a monkey or a squirrel or a bird, they can immediately correlate that they are the animals, those who make a home on the tree. Now, one more thing I would like to tell you that, like in this picture, we did the odd one out activity. Teacher can show them the different live objects also. Like a rose is red, apple is red, and there are many things which are in red color. One more activity can be done in the class. Like one day, suppose Monday is a working day in the school, the teacher can ask children to get green food in their tiffin. So that can be declared as a green day. The next day, Tuesday, the teacher can ask them to wear yellow clothes. That day can be declared as a yellow day, because the child will be very happy when the whole class is wearing the same color and the whole class is eating the green food, and concept of the colors will be more clear to them. So this is an activity, as I told you, it's a wonderful activity. In one activity, the child has learned so much. He has learned a lot actually. He could learn about the colors, he could learn about the animals, he could learn about the different objects, about the vocabulary, and definitely it will boost up his confidence. So there is no doubt that it is a wonderful activity for small children. Hope you like the ideas of this activity. Thank you so much.